Guys, I came with this tuk-tuk around here and we got stuck on the other end. The other day we got stuck even we left the tire here. Look. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe, like. Unataka kusema hi? Hi. Unataka kusema hi? Sema hi. Hi. Hi Victor. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. I'm really happy today, but kinda sad on the other end, but always happy. So guys, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today it was a blessing day. We came in here also to look for sand, other stuffs, and it's a big surprise, a big, very big surprise, because today we have brought another material for construction of our dream house around here in Kenya, Africa. The mission is bringing more materials. So I'm at the river here, or at the river side. I was checking the depth. I was checking the depth of the river so that we can check also for the sand and what has been happening around. So listen to the soothing of the water. Yeah, so literally I can't go this way because this time this place is very deep, very deep. When the water is flat this way, it means very deep. So I want to take you to our dreamland, guys, so that you can literally check. Usukumwe. Hey, that guy has stuck there. Victor, Wakusukume. Hey, so this guy has literally stuck because he brought me what we call like a ballast. We were doing some extension of our land on the other side because there's some poles which were wacha kwanza, wacha speedy. There were some poles which were misbehaving, so I decided to bring some ballast from home. Hey Victor has a lot of power, I guess. He wants to push this on his own. Hivi utachimba mbele na nyuma. Aya, nenda. Hey, today this truck has disturbed us. Tutaonana. Hey guys, you see the road. Hey, the collocation and the mixology of mud and sand and water, it has made it become a muddy wording. So this day today, guys, I want to do a short video because this day it has been raining since morning until now this evening. But I had some guys at the land there who has been helping us by removing sand. That is Daudi, who was helping us to remove sand from the river and also making our fence at our dreamland over here. So this side you can see how green, how beautiful the place is. It has been so nice, and amazingly on the other side we are first on the second river from Ayamaru's building or villa over here, and now we have been collecting sand, but we need more sand. And also today was the first truck building or bringing what we call like ballast, not ballast but stones, for the first time. You can now check. That is Villa Medellin over there, shining, and soon we'll be having Villa Cloud or Villa what? Oh, Villa Nepal, maybe some days back in Nepal, but we'll chase a good name for it, or Villa CJ on this other end. So we are literally moving on this other end upwards. We got stuck by that tuk-tuk. It got stuck, and when it got stuck, it burnt its clutch plates, so we couldn't proceed with the journey. So we decided to pour the ballast on the road over here, which I'm taking you, so that we can just take it from here, transfer it with wheelbarrows to our dreamland. So let me show you what's happening over here. You can now see how crazy the road has been, with a lot of big potholes. Look at our eggs. And now when our tuk-tuk arrived here, it got stuck and it poured the ballast around here. Hey.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I'm good.
You great?
Very great.
How's your day going?
Perfect.
Imperfect. Imperfect, why?
Yes. Yeah, we had some friction. Some ballast had to be poured here because it was stuck down here.
Yes.
And it was also stuck down there.
Yes.
So yeah, we had to find a solution, and the solution was pouring it down,
yes,
so that you can push it with a wheelbarrow.
For sure.
Yeah. So
I'm also here with Daudi himself, the big man.
Yeah.
How are you, Mura?
I'm very fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Yes.
I'm just struggling. Yeah.
You're all right.
Yeah, so
We are all struggling here. Yes. How introduce yourself?
So I'm David Senior. Yeah, kindly visit my YouTube channel. Go subscribe kindly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So as you see,
We have been
just
scooping,
struggling,
scooping and with the big spoon. Unataka kusema hai, Mura? Salimia hata watu, Mura. Salimia watu. Rasta. Yes, guys.
to me looks like someone who can even manage the project.
Yeah.
When we start,
Yes.
I think he'll be like the way they call project managers.
Yes, he can be.
Me, I'll consider him.
Yeah, for
I'll
sure.
give him first priority.
Because actually, when we were away, he took some good care of what has been happening. Yeah, for sure. Even now, when we got stuck here, he was number one to be here, so we can just check what's going on.
you see the way I've
You have done this.
I've just filled the wheelbarrow.
Hey, Mura, unasema ukweli, Mura. Unaona kazi inaendelea, si ndio? Yes, guys. So guys, from here we'll be taking you to the site where today we poured what we call like our first stones actually for building our dream house. I'm very much happy for this because it's slowly by slowly. Even if it won't be built today or tomorrow, but even if it's next year, just collecting more and more materials so that we can check what's going on around. Alright guys, see you on our site. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. It's a new day over here. From yesterday you saw our vlogs around here. Everything has been so nice, so we decided to extend what we call like the poles heading downwards around here. As you see, we have another pole here, another pole here. So our dreamland still proceeds downwards and downwards and downwards. You come up to this end over here, where you see a very nice demarcation of the land, which means this one. Hey guys, so this day today is a beautiful new day around here. I'm so much happy. Now the land shows you the real life of what is going on around, also with the maize and other stuff that you see. So today we are putting more poles. Guys, what I'm praying for is some days I might find myself in the river and we can own a river at the river bank, and this will really help us by doing each and every stuff. So this day today I'm expecting some visitors, very special visitors today on our dreamland over here, who said, Claude, we want to come and tour your dream and dreamland over here, and we want to come and just say hi and see how everything is. So in a few we'll be expecting some visitors in our dreamland over here. And guys, please let me know in the comment section what do you think about this area. Our land now is very huge and big, as you see. Oh my god, we're putting some poles. Now it's going all the way through up the other side. Oh, even I see my dad here. Our dad just came to pay a visit. Let me see what he has come with. So we were putting these poles around here, aligning the poles, in which I'll show you what's going on around up to this side. Oh my god, let me check before everything. Let me check what dad is doing over here. This is a big surprise, guys. We also have maize around here. Oh, it's so sad. I saw this plenty of us. I'll just treat it. Hey, I'm having some visitors here. Hey, Mzee.
I want to pronounce this banana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Mzee today is doing some good.
I can see.
Hey, Mzee, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good? First big surprise.
But the way he's breathing,
He's planting this for for Wajuku.
Yeah, wachuku.
He's planting it for the grandsons.
Kama sitakuwa wanakula.
Wanakula.
Matunda ya dhahabu.
Mzee,
Yes.
I see you.
Yes.
Mzee is doing something.
Huwezi fanya kazi.
Very serious with the job, yeah.
Kenya kinaendelea.
This is our dad, yeah. I hold it, Mzee. Nishikilie.
Angalia hiyo vitu inakaa aje. Ninataka mnaangalia.
Mzee nilitoke live.
Maisha. How are you? How you get me?
Guys, these are some of the visitors that we're expecting around here.
Welcome.
Yeah.
What can you do here?
I'm here like to do some videos, more contents.
Yeah.
I'm here to do more contents.
Hey, that's a young brother.
Then?
Hey, this day today is a bright. This day today is a bright day.
Father here.
Yeah. Hey brother, introduce yourself. His camera pointing a camera.
Okay.
Yes, baby. Yeah. Good morning.
I'm filming him. He's filming me.
Yes.
It's like shooting each other.
Yeah.
So I'm Genzi Africa from
Yes.
Bujumbura, Burundi,
Yes.
and Nyabohanse has become like my second home.
Yes.
Yeah. Please, I can't just subscribe to my channel.
Guys, today it's very happy, and as I told you guys that today I will be receiving some visitors over here, and actually he's my first visitor to step over here from Burundi. Actually, it's my brother. I've been watching him so hard on his videos that he has been doing on the other side, and today he said like we are going to pay a visit on your land, on your dreamland. And as I came here also I was surprised to see Dad was like, oh man, he's planting some bananas. Yeah, welcome bro.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm moving around to
Yes.
see my brother's land.
Yes.
And actually, the location is
It's perfect.
yeah very perfect, brother. Because
When you're here,
from here you can see the whole Nyabohanse.
the whole
You
Nyabohanse.
can call Mayugna there. You can call
Marwa.
there.
Yes.
Bro. The location is very
Thank you
perfect.
so much,
Yeah.
brother. It's an inspiration. Maybe someday soon you can be our neighbor here. Yeah, God willing. Inshallah, brother.
I think God heard us.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, man. You're welcome.
Okay, sure.
Do
brother.
more. I'm coming for you.
Thank you, brother.
We can just do any vlogs around here that you want.
Sure,
We'll
brother.
do your highly humble. For now, we're bringing more
appreciate it.
materials and we're putting on some fence
Yeah,
to mark the land now.
Wow.
You know, if we leave it this way, sometimes people can come and pass through.
Yeah,
So it's better to mark your territories.
that's
Yeah.
African spirit.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
whenever you construct an artist, you have to
Yeah,
fence up your land.
Your
So
land.
that no one will be passing.
for
So
sure.
we started to bring some materials here.
Yes.
It's very nice to artists to make very metal here.
Yeah. And I'm so much happy we see our dad just started planting some bananas. This is a sign of a good family now. Sign of a good. It's already a home.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's already a home.
I thought this thing is only in Burundi.
Mm.
In Burundi, something that show you that this is an official home.
Yes.
They plant like a
They plant this way.
yeah, or a tree, a fruit tree.
You know that this is also fruit.
Yeah.
I was so surprised. I've not ever planted a tree here.
And they didn't even talk to Dad to come and plant.
I have never talked to him. I have never talked because when I purchased land, we were with him. He was as a witness and also he was as the parent over here.
Yeah.
So and then we went, and then he came some days to confirm how they were putting the poles, but he was not pleased. So he decided to tell me to do more and add poles because this side I was expecting to put more poles, but you know sometimes the pocket embarrass you.
Yeah.
So the pocket embarrassed me.
But it's, bro, you're trying your best. You're
Yes.
trying your best.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure,
Okay,
brother.
we are coming. We have more stories, Dad.
Sure.
All right, man. So, guys, this is the land over here, and also I'm expecting more and more visitors around here, and things are really moving on well. So let me check, Dad, how you make. Let me know in the comment section how you plant bananas or plantains in your land. So before you do, hey, my dad is very fit and energetic. Mzee,
Yes.
ama mzee ni wewe?
I'm a young. I'm a mzee.
You are a young South African.
I'm your father.
Yes.
I'm your father.
Sijakata.
Yeah.
Who refused? Who refused? You are not my dad. Who said no? Hey, I've seen you putting South Africa mzans.
Yes.
Hey, even you are growing gray hair mzee.
Huh?
Hey, you are growing gray hair. Umeanza kuota nywele nyeupe.
Sisi maisha yangu na wewe, even you, are you growing your new hair?
New hair.
Yeah.
This is a new hair now. A new hairstyle.
Yes.
South African Muzansi. And you're putting on a very nice shirt that. Very nice shirt. So unapanda ndizi?
Napanda mgomba.
Yes.
Hii ni mgomba sio ndizi.
Oh, ni mgomba.
Mgomba wa ndizi.
Oh, mgomba wa ndizi.
Sasa,
that is rectifying me. This is, you know, when you say ndizi is a fruit, but when you say mgomba wa ndizi, mgomba.
Ndio sasa shina la watoto.
Shina la watoto.
Watakula.
Okay. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you people plant maize. Oh no, plant plantains or banana. This is how he's doing. He's doing a hole, a big one. Unapiga mkubwa kabisa, eh?
Hiyo. Ndio inakaa smart. Even smart. Mbolea.
Oh.
Ndio sasa ikiingia hapa. Ndio sasa inakuwa. Sio kwamba ni ndogo. Hii ni shimo kubwa.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll be having bananas here. Hawata ngosi kutunajenga tata. Hawata ngosi kutunajenga.
Membo. Unaweza pita hati iwe kwa boma ndani.
Oh.
Here. Niwaona iko sawa.
Iko sawa?
Iko sawa kabisa kwa sababu nyumba ikakaa kati.
Yes.
Even this, umeona nimeacha kama njia.
Yes. Like
a
a road.
Compound, ya fence.
Ya fence, yeah.
Hii tunataka tu plant 3.
Yes.
There even 3.
3.
Yes. In your compound.
In the compound. The first big support.
Nalima mahindi.
The first big
Even sukuma.
kitchen garden.
Yes.
It'll become a kitchen garden. But
here.
I'll put grass, Daddy. I'll put some nyasi nzuri. You sit here, and then I'll put some nice raised gazebos. Unajua raised gazebos? I'll put a raised gazebo yenye unapanda ngazi, unakunywa maji yako kama soda ukiona mto inateremka. Hapa chini hivi. Nyumba ni hapa. Halafu hapo nitaweka gazebo.
Lakini hapa tusisahau chakula.
Yeah.
Chakula inisha.
Mungu atasaidia, we can buy more and more to plant food. Tanua shamba, I'm telling him, he's saying like don't forget a place to put a kitchen garden will be eating food. I'm telling him God will provide for us, and then we can maybe extend leftwards and we can plant food. Sawa sawa mzee, panda mahindi.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
God is praised.
Yes.
Even you can, God is praised this family.
Yes.
Mpaka miaka 20 even 2020 mpaka tumalize miaka hili nasema ngapi?
Miaka ni 600.
600.
Buga, miaka ni ngapi?
Utachukua miaka 300.
300.
Mimi nitachukua 200.
Hey, my dad is telling me to live 300 years. Thank you. Metusela number 2 in the life. Okay mzee, okay. Hata nisubiria wageni niambiwa wanakuja. Acha niwaone.
Sasa.
Haya, hata mimi hata wewe ni mgeni nimeshangaa umepanda ndizi. Sikuwa na expect.
Ndio wageni wanakuja.
Yes.
Ndio wanaonekana.
I was not expecting you here.
Unaona?
Yes.
Hata kila kitu kinaenda. Nimekuja tena nimesaponsha nimesema good.
100 times.
100%.
Yes.
Good my kid.
Yeah.
Mtoto wangu.
Thank you so much.
Nataka kuendelea kufanya kazi.
Yes.
Hii kitu kimenipendeza.
Yes.
Ningelisoma ingeleta shida. Kumbe wewe ndio umesoma kisomo chako.
My dad is saying if he could have gone to school, it could be a problem in the village because he was so smart. Now he's saying like the one who has taken his chimba kabisa mzee. Chimba.
Wacha hii kitu kiende.
Chimba.
Nitakula hii ndizi. Nafikiri ni matani. Wewe.
Yeah?
I'm together.
You're together? Yes. Okay. Acha niangalia hapa. Let me see what Daud is doing here. Oh, David Senior.
Yes.
David Senior, do something. Put it back.
Don't shake.
I'm not shaking it, David Senior.
Don't shake.
Okay, I won't shake. How are you, Your Majesty?
Good, bro.
Yesterday we struggled with you.
Yeah, we are here yesterday. You know, you are very busy today, and again, it's like now we don't see each other.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that before rain,
Yes.
we finish where we've already put some posts.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Introduce
hello, guys.
yourself, yeah.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph's channel.
Yes.
I go by the name Your Majesty 254,
Yes.
and I'm very happy that you normally come across me while watching Claude Joseph's video.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe at my channel, please.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here helping our brother here. You know, support
For
in the
sure,
village
is
is
what
very-
we need.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, please.
So check me out, please.
Yeah, subscribe to his YouTube channel at Your Majesty.
254,
254, guys. Actually, we are doing good work here. As you see, they are helping me over here. So let's see what's going on around. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you.
Okay. David Sini?
Yes.
Hey, my friend, how are you? He's our manager here, guys, on our land. He doesn't want any issues.
Any nonsense.
He doesn't want any nonsense in the land. Okay, David Sini. Okay, I'll come for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't forget to come for me.
I won't come. I won't.
There is a surprise.
You're waiting for
I'm
me.
waiting for you.
Okay, okay. I told them to come and do this. And
Okay.
David Senior was here as the manager.
Okay,
I'll
man.
come for you. I'll come
for me.
Say that thing twist. How do you say it? Yeah, Susan.
So sorry.
It was Susan Su sold the Samsung phone to Samsung Phone
Susan
X.
Su sold the Samsung to Samsung Phone X.
Susan Su sold the Samsung phone to Samsung Phone X.
Susan Su sold the Samsung phone to Samsung Phone X.
Wait, okay,
You
bro.
come for me. You
Okay,
come for me.
okay.
I'll be there.
Okay, guys. Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready? I told you guys I'm having some special visitors on the land, on the dreamland today. And here today I'm having one and only.
Diana Daisy from Nairobi, Kenya, Africa.
Yeah,
Yes.
guys. Hey guys, this is Diana Daisy.
Yeah, Diana Daisy.
And this is
Diana is Diana, and then Daisy is Daisy. Diana Daisy. I don't know how you make them.
If you could
be
be here in the village, stay here.
yeah.
We could have called you Dides.
Daisy.
Dides.
Oh my god.
Oh my
D,
god.
you know when you hear the word D, D does not sound well.
D.
Come around here, D.
Come on, D. You Daisy.
Yeah.
All right, introduce yourself well, and
guys,
yes.
This gorgeous girl from Nairobi. She's a comedian.
Yes.
And also a digital online content creator.
Yes.
And again, a 2-month-old baby traveler. Yes, from Nairobi, Kenya. Her name is Diana Daisy.
Yes.
Fallen in love, being loved.
Oh, lo.
Yeah.
Her channel, please.
Oh,
Diana
thank
Daisy.
you.
This is baby love.
Yeah, thank you, babe.
Yeah.
That was not evident.
Let's go to the maze now.
We are going to
And
the
I'm
maze.
seeing you're putting my favorite team.
Yes, this is the team of old generals.
Generals.
Only 3 people, not 3 people. This, you see, Joe Biden.
God created love, and I was planning to give her, the maximum love that I have, but just because of that, yes, I decided to remove like 20%, so I love her at 80%.
At 80%.
Just because of this.
Even Joe Biden is wearing this, follows this. This is a team that is
Joe Biden has his wife, and I have my own baby who is Diana Daisy.
babe.
Please.
Oh my god.
Come, I take you to the lodge, Green Lodge. Come, I take you to the Green Lodge here. Let's not disturb them there. Yes, I'm so much happy to be with the visitors. These are my special visitors, and
Yeah,
also
special.
there are more coming. You know, with me, honestly speaking, for you being the first time here, first time, I think I could have taken you to the farm of the maize there and just give you a lot of sugars, but the owner of the sugars is not around. Diana Daisy,
Yes.
tell us, give us your old introduction, and
Babe,
yeah.
do you mind introducing me? I think I've told them I'm a...
At least, please, I give you a chance.
Okay.
As
You know,
well.
Burundians they say that Burundian men are the best.
Sure.
Are you real for it?
Yes.
I don't say
From-
because now you have a Burundian girl.
They are just
boyfriend.
like Luos, but now Luos cheat. But Burundians don't. They are real.
Guys,
Yes.
she's a comedian. If you are Luo, don't take it personal.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
just joking here. We're not
Yeah.
serious. We're not talking only this. But if I say that I love her, I'm serious. But if she says Luo's cheat,
When?
it's just a joke.
No, it's not. It's not a big deal. That's our nature's rules.
Are you Luo?
He's a courier.
Oh my god. Oh, I thought you were Luo. You Luo.
Yeah, me, I'm a Luopian. I'm a Luopian.
He's a Luopian.
I'm a Luopian. Yeah, Diana Daisy, this is the first time guys actually
Nyabohanse.
travel all the way from Nairobi
Yeah.
to Nyabohanse.
No, I came all the way from Burundi.
Yeah.
That's why he said you should introduce yourself as a traveler.
Is there-
Oh, yeah. So, guys, okay, sorry. I'm a 2-month-old traveler, right, babe?
Yes.
2-month-old traveler. 3-year-old comedian.
3 years old comedian.
Yes, yeah. And I started traveling the month of March. Is it March? now in April. Yes,
Yeah.
and it's doing me well. I started with Uganda, Uganda, Rwanda,
Yes.
Burundi. I found a husband,
Yes.
and then I went to Tanzania with him,
yes.
and I'm here with him, and I'm planning to he's planning to travel with me the whole world.
Oh my God.
Yes. So that
Oh
is me,
my
guys.
God. It's congratulations. Yes.
Please, as an expert in traveling,
Yes.
tell your people to subscribe to us because
For
guys, we don't have money to travel, but with your view,
Yeah.
with your subscription,
Yes.
with your like and comment,
We are
Yes.
broke.
God will make it. So please.
Yeah, for sure, guys. The good way is if you
Yeah.
watch their ads without skipping,
Yeah.
and the little they make,
Thank
they combine together.
Actually,
We fly.
we were supposed to be in Namibia right now,
Yes.
but
Yeah.
because we don't have money, we
Yes.
are in Nyabohansi.
Yeah, Nyabohansi,
So
yeah.
please, the best way of supporting us is just to come to our channel,
Yes.
subscribe, watch our videos, then God will make it. We'll make a way.
Yeah, for
Sure.
sure.
Kindly.
And God will make a way
Yeah.
where
Actually,
there seems to be no way.
That's
Thank
CJ. That's CJ.
And
It's
words
very
and
rare
ways.
to see him finishing a video without singing. I swear.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know how to sing.
Wow.
You have to sing. And me, I'm so much happy.
Thank you, CJ.
Actually, you are a thing now. Congratulations for that.
Thank you very
And what is your first impression being in the village in Nyabohansi?
Well, it doesn't seem like a village because everyone here is speaking English and everyone is vlogging.
Yes.
Everyone is doing whatever I love. You know,
Yes.
when you go to the village, you start farming.
Yes.
You start going to the river.
Yes.
But now here you're all day speaking in English. Actually, I've been taking medicines every day because now it's rare for Kenyan to speak English from the morning until 6.
Now you are feeling sick with the
Yeah,
English.
6 every day and sick every day because of speaking English.
Yeah.
And you know, like my Yuno says, English is not vegetable.
Now we can now say welcome to the content-free zone.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
sometimes we might go to the government official, they say it's a corruption-free zone.
Yeah.
Now here it's a content-free zone.
Yeah, my
so
God,
welcome
it's
here.
so good. Thank
Your
you so
content
much.
is not vegetable.
Yeah.
You walk here, you can
Yeah.
find even a small short
Yes.
asking you, hi guys.
Yes, a small grandmother.
Yes.
Even we found another one there, and it was telling Paris,
Yes.
"Hi, how are you?
Yes.
Subscribe." And I'm like, "Really? This is a granny? I'm like, subscribe my granny the way she is
Yes.
right now.
Yes.
Her work is just to remove saliva and spit it on the chest.
On
to
the
bless
chest.
you."
Oh my
Yes.
God.
Another thing I like
Take
about
her to my grandma. And then
yesterday I was there, but she was like, "I'm sick, I can't go there."
Bibi.
Yeah.
You, I was almost got mad because he was saying he's going to Bibi. So I'm like, how many wives do you have?
No, in Kenya is different. That's why we call have Vitawe in Kenya and Visawe in Kenya.
Okay.
So Kenya,
So-
here we have
so I'm
Red
thinking
Go
that it's
Go.
another wife that I have here.
Yes.
So I was like, no, take
Take
so-
it really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the Biba was telling you. And hey, her English. You're going to watch my video. I think.
Muy perfecto.
My perfecto.
Muy perfecto. Yeah, so you as a content creator for 3 years old, now I can have these few questions for you at least. Maybe if you are comfortable with it, okay? So because
You want to ask me about comedy?
not comedy, like I want to ask you as for the 3 years, which are the don't you go? Stand here. Where are you going? Why are you running?
going?
Why are you running? Why are you running? What are the challenges that you have been facing for the 3 years of content creation?
Can I speak internationally or locally?
Locally and internationally.
Babe, I'm only.
Guys, I thought you thought I was being called babe. Sorry, guys. Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
So like what I've been experiencing is the limitation. I can't grow beyond Kenya, Kenya and Tanzania and Burundi.
Yes.
The country that speaks Swahili.
Yes.
I can't grow beyond that. That was one of the most challenges.
Yes.
Another thing now, being monotonous with the same thing,
Yes.
repetition of the content.
Yes.
That is what has been making me feel so tired for comedy.
Yes.
Yes, until I was like, I can't do it anymore. I can't need to go and go bigger.
Yes.
Yes. So that's why I decided to start traveling, and I've been planning to travel for the last 2 years.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
But now every time I find myself, I want to travel, I find myself doing skits, and then I got tired of skits, especially posting skits. They go for 1 minute, and 1 minute cannot pay you on YouTube.
For sure, it
Yeah,
can't. It
yeah.
can't. Maybe, yeah,
Yes.
it can't. And yeah, I'm so much happy for you. I'm so much happy for you because since those days I think I was maybe day 2 or day 3 when I started to know who Diana Daisy is.
Really?
I used to love watching other
So
content
you knew
creators.
her before?
I knew her before.
Wow.
Because me, I used to be an actor. I used to act with G4 and Detrex. So I wanted to become an actor, and I was like, some days I wanted to reach out to this former comedian. I don't know if maybe she does comedy nowadays because I'm so busy not watching her much.
Yeah.
Kuria.
Naomi Kuria.
Yeah, Naomi Kuria.
Yeah.
And also,
you've not watched my video with her and me, my boyfriend.
I haven't, for sure. I cannot lie
Yeah,
for
we
that
need to go and
because
watch.
you used to be. If I couldn't watch you with Crazy Ken and so many others, Franco, and I was like, and then you people are the people who introduced Franco on the front end. So I've been watching you people all the way until sometimes now when content of English came into my mouth, I decided let me not.
Yeah, I know
But
how it feels.
yeah, so for now I'm so much happy for you for the good work, and now you are here. Honestly speaking, I used to be very eager, like one day, if I'm going to even to Nairobi, I was like, let me DM maybe you or maybe even Diana. But sometimes my heart is like, I'm very low. If they look at my subscribers or my 2,000 subscribers, they won't come for me. But I used to fear, that fear.
Yeah,
That's when I
know.
came to realize, if you want to do something, do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Actually do it.
So from
That's what I
there,
did.
it's like learning from experiences.
Yeah.
But I'm so much happy for you.
Thank you.
And God connected us.
Yes.
Actually, God has heard my prayers.
Oh my God.
And now you are
Yeah.
here
I'm
at our
honored.
dreamland. I'm so much happy.
Yeah.
Guys, what are the challenges that maybe you have seen, you have encountered, and now you decided, like me, let Kenya be my second home?
Bro, let me tell you something.
Yes.
I swear to God, if there are some people who inspired me to travel, first of all, I never lie. For me, my people know me, but maybe your people don't know me.
Yes, for sure.
There are some people, the first people to inspire me to do YouTube is WorldRemit.
Yeah.
The second person, I said the first people.
Yeah,
So the first person is
WorldRemit.
Shout out to you, bro. And
Yeah.
my
Very big
second
shout out.
video,
Yes.
I did with WorldRemit.
WorldRemit. I saw them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My second person to inspire me, it was my brother, young brother, my lovely brother, Bruno Traveler.
Bruno Traveler, yes.
Then after Bruno, because these people, you couldn't say Bruno Traveler without CJ. They were traveling together.
Yeah.
Bro, you know that you are the third person to inspire me traveling.
Thank you so much, man.
And then
Yes.
you became like my second. After Bruno Traveler to come here,
Yes.
I've been watching you traveling all over the world, Nepal, India,
It's a digression.
Show me your ways. Show me.
We are going to seek some advances. And the other thing, bro, for me, I've been a radio station presenter for years.
Yes.
I've been in a TV station presenter.
Yes.
Then I was like, so CJ made it. He's traveling all over the world.
Yes.
Even myself, I have to stop what I'm
Absolutely.
doing. I stopped. Now I'm laying on YouTube.
Yes.
And you can't even imagine. I stopped doing this before even being monetized.
Oh my God.
And this is my second week after being monetized.
Yes.
So a big challenge is African.
Yes.
African
Borders. Yeah, it's a big challenge, my friend.
Borders.
Yes.
Borders.
Sometimes you might think they hate you, maybe something, but
I'm
it's part
telling
of
you,
life. Yes.
Traveling within Africa as an African is
Yes.
a big challenge.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. Second thing is money.
Yeah.
Because I told you I've been saving for months so that I will start traveling.
Yes.
I came here, I spent like a month and 2 weeks in Kenya.
Yes.
Then I went back in Tanzania. Then after Tanzania I went in Bujumbura. Then I went in Uganda. Then I came back in Bujumbura because my queen was in Bujumbura.
Yes.
Then we left Bujumbura. We left in Bujumbura. We came in Arusha to do Hazabe videos. Please go and watch them. But those Hazabe videos, something that is going to make you laugh. That the first costly videos I did ever.
My first ever costly video I did was in Namibia with the Himba. My first ever costly videos, and I was.
How much?
It was almost 14,000 Kenyan shillings to just do a video. 14,000 Kenyan shillings, and yes, just there. 14,000 Kenyan shillings just to pay them so that I can just do a video. And I was like, this video, after doing it, I was having much expectation because I've been seeing a lot of people making out of it.
Really?
I was like, okay, let me just upload it.
For
It
me-
gave me 700 views, and I cried. Bruno shouted me like, you can even delete it. I told him no. For now, it's over 15,000 views,
you-
and it has given me over 1,000 views,
At
over
least you-
1,000 subscribers.
Me,
Yes, that video.
It has given him over 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And the money, has it returned the money?
It haven't yet returned the money, but you know the
it's just
subscribers
sometimes
matter.
I'm making a money.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not-
yeah.
But let me tell you something, bro.
Yes.
At least you.
Yeah.
Me, I planned in my budget to go in Tanzania and Kenya. But all the budget I planned, it got finished in Tanzania.
In Tanzania.
While doing those videos. And you know what? All the videos got yellow dollar sign.
Oh man, that means it adds stability and it can't be monetized. But it's part of life, it's part of challenges. Because if you won't push it to know that why is it this, maybe somebody could be explaining to you and you say maybe it's a joke. But now when you know it, you know how to handle it.
You have been seeing yellow dollar sign to
Until
my
I was
place.
talking to her, babe, can I do a live stream and telling people that what I'm going through? But for me, I fear people to call me a beggar.
Yeah, that's always. Sometimes people
I
can
fear
call you a
that
beggar, but
because
that's just honestly it's a good
yeah,
thing that you know are doing
definitely.
it.
But
Don't
at least people who watch us, they understand us, they know
Yeah.
know us.
Yeah.
At least honestly speaking, I don't have anyone who is supposed to
My friend,
sponsoring me.
I'm telling you one thing. If you keep it inside you, I won't know what you're going through. It's better you speak your problem half solved.
Bro,
If I solve it half, then you solve it half, it's finished.
bro,
Yes.
I've been praying.
Yes.
At least one day, God to send me somebody who will asking me at least,
Yes.
where are you going next?
Yes.
What can I assist you?
Yes.
Even $1,
Yeah,
it
for
would
sure.
be nice because I'm telling you like now,
Yes.
I'm broke.
Yes.
I'm broke, but I thank God. I thank God.
Yes.
I have you. At least I have you to introduce you to my channel.
For sure.
You never know, your people can come and subscribe to my channel,
Yes.
and that's the best way of supporting.
For sure, man.
Watching my videos because I'm doing this so that you can watch. At
For
least
sure.
if you watch, I get those few dollars.
Yes.
Even $4, at least I get water
True story,
on
man.
the way.
For
So
sure.
I'm planning to go in South, like in more than 8 countries.
Yes.
I'm planning to go in Tanzania, Zambia, Namibia, Zimbabwe,
Yes.
Babe, I'm going alone.
Lesotho. We are going. If I say I, it's you and I.
You and I, because you're now a thing.
Yeah.
It's a rib ripped off.
Lesotho,
Mozambique.
Lesotho, Mozambique,
Yes.
and
Namibia also.
yeah,
You enjoy
even-
those
even
countries.
South
I'm telling you, they are
But
wow.
imagine what?
Yes.
Wallahi.
Zero budget.
But we still believe that God is going to
I'm
make it.
telling you, plan for yours.
Yeah.
Then say, God, I've done my part.
Yes.
Lead me through.
And you know what makes me
Yes.
to keep on planning? I never knew that one day I'll be in Kampala creating content.
Yes.
But I planned that when I had only 20 USD.
Yes.
Because me when traveling, I like to keep my money in dollars.
Yes. Yeah, that's
So
it.
I
Yeah.
got a cousin of me,
Yes.
of mine. He was like, bro, I'm going to Kampala. Can we go together? I was like, really? I'm going to be sleeping in your hotel. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was like, whatever, even eating, you're going to eat.
Yeah, out your
eat.
budget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh God. So I will never stop planning.
Yeah.
Just money will come. I'm sure.
Yeah,
money
it will come, my friend.
So that's what we are planning. Please subscribe to our channels.
Yes.
Because we don't have a same channel. I
Yeah.
have my channel. She has her channel.
Yes.
Please subscribe to our channels so that we
That
can-
guy bringing stones here. I told him to come and pick these stones because this can't construct. Yeah. This can't construct.
Oh, they
So
brought wrong.
they brought wrong materials.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah.
So
Those are challenges.
challenges, the borders,
Yes.
and sometimes running out of budget.
Yes.
Yeah, videos in Africa they are very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that. But
Yeah.
I'm enjoying what I'm doing.
Yes.
And you know, when I was doing with Marwa,
Yes.
he told me you're going to be a traveler.
Yes.
But please, be ready to enjoy the challenges.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Be ready to. That is always we tell you.
But
like,
that's the hardest and the painful thing. Babe, enjoying the challenges is the most painful thing.
sometimes they make you
Strong.
grow strong and they make you open-minded.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make you
For me,
open-minded.
whatever
Yeah.
challenge I get,
Yeah.
bro. For me,
Yeah.
I was not
Yeah,
used
the
to.
other one.
He's coming to pick the stones. Yeah. Or he's going to take. No, I'm not quite sure.
An empty tip.
Yeah, he's coming to pick the stones.
So the life of a builder.
Yeah, you know, sometimes if you won't be so, they'll bring you anything trash. They'll bring you trashes, and then they'll be like, "Oh, they have brought you stones." Like
Yeah.
these were the first, but I told them no. This is not. I wanted this. You know, I gave them money which sustains something to be brought. and then they brought something that if you hit even your hammer or wood like this, they strike. That can't be. They want my house to fall down.
So you tested?
Yeah, you went there.
Oh, this one is for the foundation?
Yeah, this one for the
This is
foundation.
going to be his second house.
Yeah.
Oh, he has the first one? Hey, Claude, show me your ways. Let me tell you, Nairobi YouTubers are not earning like...
I'm telling you the truth. Let me tell you the truth, right? The truth is that is a house. It's not my home. I'm building my home. That's you should go home.
What is it there?
It's a bulletproof house.
My God, you're not paying rent.
I'm paying rent. I have businesses to pay rent. Like Airbnbs where I'm staying. There's an Airbnb. We have 2 of them. The block you see there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's an Airbnb. We pay rent. I pay rent in Mombasa. By the way, if you go to Mombasa, my friend, promote.
Oh, you have a Airbnb in
yes,
Mombasa?
Mombasa, yeah.
Oh, you should tell us. Where?
In Bamburi, Mwisho.
Mwisho.
Yes.
We're planning to go. So when we go there, we're going to pay.
Yes.
Or we are going to advertise.
Yeah, we are going to pay. You know, promote a friend.
So I promote a friend on my Facebook, Instagram, and I'm paying.
You know, we will talk that business. You know, content creators.
Off the camera.
Yeah, off the camera.
Yeah.
But guys, please, we have heard about Ngezi,
Yeah.
the African, also about Diana Daisy.
And please,
yes.
before leaving,
Yes.
what can you advise as travelers, new travelers?
Yeah, what I can
Yeah,
advise you is my best and better advice is please be ready, be open-minded, because outside here not everybody loves you and not everybody hates you.
Okay.
Be open-minded outside here and be ready to learn. Don't go to somebody's country. Yeah, be a student, be ready, because traveling is a university. Be ready. Yeah, they're taking them. Be ready.
They're finishing up. We'll finish and go.
Yeah. Be ready to do what you call like to learn. Like if you go to somebody's, because if you be in Namibia, be ready maybe to eat worms.
Babe, you refuse to eat monkey.
So you must be ready to show them that spirit of togetherness. Be ready just even to taste it, and how does it taste, because that is your learning. You'll be open-minded. Respect. Number 1, respect somebody's culture, they will respect your own culture. Number 2, respect, I told you, be honest to yourself before somebody trusts you. Be honest to yourself, trust yourself. Be honest, like if I give this money, how will I, you know? That's key number 2. And number 3, consistency of what you are doing. Today you might go to a country and it never give you even views. Consistency. You might go to a country, you do even 2 to 3 videos and you see this video not me. No, change the location, go to the next. Just be consistent. That you view, because if this country won't give you, the other one might give you. Or if this location of a country won't give you, try to move to the other side. Yeah, never give up. Never give up. And always do the good work. Promote a country, don't kill the country. That's what we say. Yeah, don't kill the country. Because you might not know tomorrow you might need that country. Today you can come in here and say, Kenyans did this to me, this is poor, this is my friend. Tomorrow you might see the same country giving other people's high expectations, but you can't go there because now you fear. So always be open-minded, consistency, respect, honesty. Those are the key to travel. Yeah, and always create more friends. May I travel to countries where I don't have any friends, but once I landed there, I start creating friends from the airport. Very onwards.
Thank you so much, because you have gone ahead of us.
Yes.
That's a good takeaway in the house. Yes. So no, we are turning. They want to put it away. So yeah, I think they're also calling you.
Yeah, I want to go.
So yes, we can go as you finish
Yeah.
up. I need to attend to a lot of things.
Absolutely.
And thank you so much for having us.
Yes, I'm so much happy for you paying a visit all the way.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, be blessed always, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, you see now the real struggle of ours here.
Yes.
I bet. I see you through, boy. Guys, today I told you we had so many visitors, and there are good visitors around here I want to be sharing with you. Let me check what they're doing over here.
Go check.
Yes.
Then we'll see each other.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God
Thank you
bless
so
you,
much.
sir.
Be blessed. Guys, subscribe to Diana Daisy.
Yeah.
And also to our brother here, Ngezi Africa. Guys, see you, man. Bye. Yes, guys, so I was having another banger. Baby, calm down. Take it to Diana game. You wanna jump with Diana? Hey, Diana. Hi. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Yes.
Yes. Hi.
Welcome.
Guys. Thank you so
You
much.
look like you are. Okay. Let me not say. How are you?
This one is for protecting
For
sun.
sunlight, sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen. Okay, introduce yourself.
Yes, hi guys, welcome back to Claude's Joseph's YouTube channel.
Yes.
I'm really happy to be here once again.
Yes.
This is the first time we happen to be here.
Yes.
And this time
Yes.
there is something good coming up.
Hey, thank
There's
you so
something
much.
good, yeah.
Thank
And
you
I'm
so
so
much.
happy at least I've gotten time to be here.
Yes.
Because on the other side we were busy on the other side. So
Yes.
at least this week
Yes.
it's good even the mason didn't come, so that we could have time to be walking around.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much, Dana Kemi,
Yeah.
for being a visit.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
really humbled. I'm
Yeah.
so much happy for you.
I really
Now, guys, this
appreciate
is another special visitor number 3.
Wow. Who was the first one?
They were done a Daisy with Ngezi.
Yeah.
And so I'm so much happy. Everybody's a visitor here.
Yeah.
Even me, I'm a visitor here.
No,
Yes.
no. This now is your future home. Future home.
Home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome, welcome, and welcome.
Thank you so much.
Number 3. Where are you going? Come.
Paris.
There. So we wanted to go say hi to our he said constructor, our supplier.
Yeah.
Your supplier. Yes. Introduce yourself. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, so hello guys.
Yes.
My name is Ferris. I'm so happy to be at Claude Joseph at Minhowis farm.
Yes.
Finally we are here and I'm so happy for these young souls.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you
know?
so much.
Yeah, and thank you so much. You guys, you're doing amazing work.
Thank you so much. Guys, this is Paris.
This is I am
Sky.
Paris.
She's around.
Number 1 is here. Mine number 1 or 2 or 3.
Eh?
I'm number.
Ask Mayugun. Mayugun said for it. Come say it. What do you think? What do you think? Diana,
Yeah.
what do you think?
About
She was number and
one.
she's number because Mayugun made it official. Even he made a video about it.
Yeah.
That Claude should marry,
Paris.
and here we are.
Here we
So
are.
she be number?
She was number 1.
So
we
she's
are-
still number 1.
And she's still number 1.
Oh, I'm still number 1.
I'm looking land for her.
Hey.
I'm looking land maybe next here,
Uh-huh.
so that I can build for her.
So you want to open branches?
I want to open branches. You know, here is now main branch is here.
Yeah.
Now I want to have the right hand side branch or upside here branch. So let me check. I'm actually saving for you.
Thank you, baby.
Yes. I mean, how you won't hear that? I hope she hasn't heard that.
You better block her when
I'll block her while uploading this video.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this is Paris. She's going on YouTube by the name I am Paris.
_Paris.
Please subscribe to her YouTube channel at
Yeah.
I am Paris. And thank you so much for paying a visit here.
Yeah.
This is what we call like togetherness, peace, love, and unity.
and support.
Peace, love, and harmony. I've been walking around the world coming and singing the peace.
What is that?
Wanna sing it, peace, love, and harmony.
I don't know.
You don't know? But the music was going on, the tapping.
Let me do this.
Yeah. Peace, love, and harmony. Hey.
Even if he doesn't know the song, he always puts his own words.
But we make it up.
He always makes his own words.
Zone words.
Bike.
I've been moving around the world just thinking about community. Those are the kids. Boys are always boys. Yes. Introduce yourself. Yes, we're having another visitor here. Yes.
My name is Bertha. On YouTube I go by the name it's _ Bertha. Why laughing? How the way Dana Kemi is looking at me. Yeah, and today we are here at Claude Joseph's and Minhowis farm.
Yes.
The business partners.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, business partner.
Business partners.
Business.
Yeah.
I wanted
Business.
to.
You know, I wanted to ask you something.
Ask me.
Since you are business partners,
Yes.
this farm, what will you do?
Well,
Airbnbs or
Hotel.
okay?
Hotel.
That
Hey,
was-
come this side. Hey. We are taking the stones, guys. I told them the stones.
It's making noise.
It's making noise and it's sinking.
People will hear.
Let's see. Guys, we are here now with Bata, and Bata said He produced another small butter. Okay, now introduce yourself.
I've already introduced myself.
It's butter.
Yeah.
And guys, the truck was kind of stuck on this other end. So the only inspiration is, guys, today we are here. And the good thing is I'm with butter.
Yeah, and
I'm so much
Joseph
happy.
was telling me they want to build a hotel here. I don't know if he's joking.
It's gonna be. I'm not joking. It's a big house.
Okay, wow, that's great.
Yeah, it's a big house. And that big house, I'm praying to be a big house so that we can even accommodate more and more visitors. If you pay a visit here, you are able to.
Oh, so it will be like an Airbnb.
Yes.
Stroke a house.
Stroke a house.
Oh,
And also, I'm planning, God willing, some days to get money. I want to extend to the river so that we can build gazebos.
Wow.
Gazebo that
I can also see you have extended up to there. It was the time I came, it was up to the where maize are.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I never fenced that one. So I wanted to go deep down. So if you build a gazebo, it can a place where you can even sleep in a gazebo. Downwards, like the downwards it will be like a bedroom, but the upwards, it's a place where you can sit, drink, as you have the best view of the canopy on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for paying a visit. I'm so much happy.
Welcome.
And please subscribe, guys, to It's Butter.
Yeah, guys.
What do you think about this?
Hey, it's a nice progress. I'm happy for you guys.
Yes.
It's a nice progress.
Yes.
I don't have even words. Congratulations.
Soon you'll be near here. I want you with the Mwita Junior to be our neighbors here.
Yeah, soon
Yes.
let us look for money first.
Yes.
Then soon we'll buy.
Yes.
Maybe you'll be your neighbor. Maybe over here.
Yes.
I'm not feeling well.
Why? Should I carry you?
She's telling
On the
me
back.
that she's having cramps, so I'm telling her to get pregnant.
Melo.
Hey,
I'm telling you, boys will always be boys. Come, baby, come.
Baba.
Come.
Yeah.
Melo. Sorry, Papa, sorry. Hey, man. So I'm having another visitor here, True Boy. Thank you so much for paying a visit, bro.
Yes, brother.
Yes. And also my young brother here.
Mother.
Hey, Manu, it's said Champions Army.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are in the building.
Yes.
Yeah.
In the view?
Building.
Okay.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself, Mijuma.
Yes, this is Mr. Trubo 208.
Yes.
Please, guys, welcome to CJ's YouTube channel, Claude Joseph. No?
Yes.
If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to his channel.
Yes.
Ready to 50k subscribers.
Thank you so much, man. The fifth.
Yeah,
CJ the fifth.
The fifth. The African eagle.
CJ.
Yes, brother.
Okay, man. Thank you so much
for
for
come
paying.
from far, you know.
Yes.
So congratulations for this. May God put more effort on this.
Yes.
And believe, because it has been a long journey.
Yes.
But finally, when we see this progress, God has signed. So everything is
approved.
Now to be all right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Support me, Road to 2K subscribers.
Yes.
Watch my videos.
Yes.
And I really appreciate it.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
brother, for this amazing chance.
Yes.
May God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Abundantly.
Thank you so much. Yes, Manu.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yes.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. In case you're new there, please subscribe there, like, share, leave a sweet comment.
Yes.
My name is Manu Claude. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Road to 1K subscribers.
All right. Oh. Peace. Hey, these people.
I'm so fine.
They have seen fire.
Yeah.
Okay, hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, introduce yourself. Hey, I'm seeing you are new here.
I'm new, really.
You are new, yes.
Oh.
What's your name?
Hi guys,
Yes.
welcome to my YouTube channel as Nyabuhanse Taylor, the
Yes.
best tailor in Nyabuhanse.
Yes.
So guys, consider subscribe to me.
Yes.
To reach 1,000 subscribers,
Yes.
guys. Yeah.
Hey, it's my first time seeing you. You have even a flower. Let me take it from you. Where are you? Guys, Nyabuhanse Taylor.
Yeah.
Actually, it's my very first time here, and I told you guys I'm receiving visitors here today, and she's one also of the visitors. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel at Nyabuhanse Taylor.
Yeah.
Nyabuhanse Taylor.
Yeah, the best tailor. If in case you need any attire,
Yes.
contact me.
Yes.
I'm there at Nyabuhanse Center.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nyabuhanse Taylor.
Yes.
Highly welcome. Peace,
Thank
peace
you.
always. Alright guys, subscribe to her YouTube channel at Nyabuhanse Taylor.
Yeah.
And she's doing Nyabuhanse Taylor or Taylor.
Tailor.
Oh, you want
Making
to
clothes.
Oh, so you can make a good shirt for me.
Yeah.
An African attire. So I'll check you out. Guys, please check her at Nyabuhanse Taylor, and she's doing a really nice job there.
Yeah.
Please subscribe, show love to her. I really appreciate your love and support. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Okay.
Okay.
Channel.
Yeah, guys.
Hata hey, you want to finish? You want to finish? You want to finish Kumalo?
I don't finish some people's marriages, you know. They look up to me.
All right. Hi, bro, guys. Also, I'm having a new visitor in the village here, and I'm so much happy. And also, he paid a visit to our dreamland over here. We've been stuck. I don't know what's the problem of being stuck in my land. I don't know, but
the
materials always stuck here. Hey, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I go by the name Denisi.
Yeah.
You can find me on YouTube, Denisi Vlogs.
Yeah, Denisi of
DENNYC.
Yeah.
Vlogs. So go there, show some love.
Yes.
Yeah, man. We
Yeah.
grow together.
For sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for paying a visit.
Yeah.
And guys, he's also one of the content creators here in Kenya, Africa, East Africa.
Yeah.
And today he decided to pay a visit in our village over here.
Yeah.
And that's Mayugno's place, Nasto's place, Marwa's place over here. And now we have our own space over here also for Claude, Joseph, and Minhawi. And he paid a visit also with the big Diana Daisy. You saw her on the previous when we were starting, called Diana Daisy.
And you left because you were coming because of the lorry.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Yeah,
but we're back again with
How-
a bang.
How's the sun?
The sun is sunny. You know, when you're speaking English, you don't relate with the sun. Yeah.
Okay, guys, please support her by subscribing and don't skip the ads whenever you see an ad. Diana Daisy. Yeah, let's give back to Diana, to Dennis. Denisi. Yeah, Dennis. What's your first impression in the village here?
The village. The people here are so welcoming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
People are so welcoming. They're so supportive.
Mm-hmm.
Like everyone is a star on his or her own way.
On his own way.
They are willing to collaborate with people.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, here we are so welcoming, for sure. That's not something that I can say.
Yeah.
And also for this being coming to the village, is there anything that you have had, maybe people having bad motives towards you or what?
Towards me?
Yes.
No, I don't think I've encountered such.
Yeah, or you're encouraging other people to pay a visit?
Yeah, guys, you should visit Nyaboanze. The people here are so loving, they're so accommodative.
Yes.
Yeah, they'll host you.
Yes.
They'll give you food for free. What are you saying?
Yeah. What are you saying? Okay, man. Thank you so much. Guys, please subscribe to his YouTube channel at Dennis channel. Denny, and the Dennis DENNY then C. Please support him by watching and subscribing, man. Road to 100k subscribers.
Yeah, road to 100k.
Yeah.
The other channel is at 240k.
At 240k. Congratulations. You're one of the guys who also I was looking at. I was like, okay.
Really?
Yes, man. Me, I've been watching you since you're growing this way.
It's funny that
But you people, I know you can't know a subscriber who is watching you and you're not watching you. But me, I've been seeing you, honestly watching you. Even Diana, this when she was starting with the group of Crazy Kena, Diana, Kuria, so many. Yeah, but I'm so much happy. I wish to meet you guys one day, and today is the day. And now it's creating friends. Now,
right now we're meeting in the village.
In the village.
Next time we'll meet in other countries.
Maybe in the city or in other countries. Yeah, be blessed always.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you
guys.
for having me.
Thank you, man. All right. Today, the mother of the house, the queen, the king, the queen kong, Ambulubuju. Hey, today you look like
I wish I show them my outfits.
Mary Claude or sing in Chinese.
Sing in Chinese. Shang shang shang. What is this?
Ting tong shang, chong sing ting chong chang, oh ching ching kong. Ah, hing hing chong hing.
I'll sing in Chinese.
Sing in Chinese.
No, show them my outfit of the day.
Hey, Ichibuti. The booty.
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay.
Yeah,
How
guys,
are you?
I'm fine.
Introduce yourself.
Welcome to our channel, guys.
Yes.
My name is Minhawi.
Don't go far, can you go? I want you to whine. Don't the shade. You want to eat here. You eat in the sun.
You eat in the sun.
You work on the sun. You eat in the shade.
Okay.
Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel Minhawi. Watch my videos, and most importantly, don't skip the ads. So we are here today.
Yes.
We've been visited by a lot of YouTubers and
Yes.
friends
Yes.
around here, and it feels so nice that we can have a lot of guests like this. How
I'm
are you
so
feeling?
blessed actually.
How
You know,
is-
even
how
I-
is the heart
Even I
pumping?
used to feel like I've got London, even no one is paying a visit. I swear. But today it was a big
Okay,
surprise.
stop tickling me. Stop it. Like you're, what is it?
It was a big surprise.
Yeah, no, stop touching my neck. So, so guys, like there are a lot of them have come, even some from very big content creators
Yes.
from Nairobi, Kenya. They've come to say like
her.
Dana Daisy.
Yeah.
They've come.
Look, now she's riding.
Yes.
But I love her because of Arsenal.
Yeah. And Manchester United.
Arsenal.
Us.
Us itself.
Relax. True boy.
Nyash. National. Anyway, guys, we're so happy and amazed and blessed today. It's so beautiful to just have people coming and visiting like this.
Yes.
And it shows that there's progress. We're heading
Absolutely.
somewhere. Like
Yeah.
we're destined for greatness,
For
you know?
sure.
And our projects are going to work in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Don't you think so?
Amen.
Don't you have that feeling?
Amen.
How do you feel when a truck is stuck
Amen.
on your piece of land?
Hey, you know, sometimes I feel much blessed. Even people are asking me, why did you return them with the materials? I told them it's because sometimes they take advantage. If you told them to bring good materials and they brought bad materials, then that means
Back. You know me. You know me. I'm like no. I like please, just take it back. We won't pay you.
Yeah.
So they'll have to come and carry them because
Yes.
they did not produce what's needed.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
we are so grateful. Thank you
Yes.
so much for having me on your channel.
Yes.
Mela, stop. For having me on your channel,
Okay.
and it really means a lot.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Let me check. Guys, I'm having Ken Gold over here. Ken Gold, one of the nyash of the
Exactly. If you try me that sector, I'm the perfect guy for you. So
I'll ask for Sky to take your shot and take mine, and we compete. And we see.
You will see fire.
You see fire. Tournament. Let the audience suggest. Guys, I found myself here with another West Bangla, West Twikila.
Yes.
So we are here.
I'm really
Introduce
perfect on
yourself.
that part. So guys, I am _ Ken Gore, Travel Commando number 2. That's my channel name.
Yes.
So today we are here. Actually we came. This is my first time.
Yes.
Coming here.
Yes.
And I'm really grateful.
Yes.
I can see the project is really going on.
Yes.
And you inspire me a lot by the way.
Those are the two soldiers.
Two soldiers.
I hope you're watching your soldiers, what they're doing here.
Yeah, the two soldiers.
Yes.
Will they carry themselves on the same bike?
I'm surprised.
Look at Paris.
Let's see.
Paris has a lot of meat. Oh.
Don't! Hey, she has gone. Mario commandos has fit. Yes. So,
actually, I said you really inspire me a lot.
Yes.
Because I see your project is going on here.
Yes.
And everyone is around.
Yeah, I'm so much happy and that's so much great and blessed, I can say so. I'm so much happy for this day today. Even we wake up sometimes, we don't even taking breakfast. But I'm here. I'm so much happy. And thank you so much for paying a visit.
Okay.
Be blessed always. Maybe hopefully some days soon we have construction over here. And we can say
to work.
And we put a party here sometimes.
And we put a party here. And do you know guys, the DJ?
The DJ is here. He's my personal DJ. When I have birthdays, he's the DJ around here. Alright, Ken Gold, thank you so much and be blessed, guys. Please subscribe to Ken Gold and I really appreciate it.
Okay.
And I'm with a junior. Introduce yourself. Where's that water of ours?
Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, Claude Joseph channel. Yes, to our channel. You know, I look young, but my family is big.
You look young.
This one, this, that one. Where's the other one?
Here.
Hey, this one. The other one is there. Hey. So guys, my name is Mita Junior. Thank you so much, Claude Joseph, for hosting me in your channel. Yeah, I'm also a digital content creator. I go by the name Mita Junior on YouTube. Yeah, kindly come and check me out. And also, if you are from my end, go and check Claude Joseph and show him some love. Also, this hard time because he's building. Yes, he needs something at least to make his land ready for the construction. You know, this is our home. YouTuber's home. You know, a YouTuber, when you build a home, that's not your home. It is a community home.
Absolutely, guys. So that was Mwita Junior.
Yes.
And please subscribe to the YouTube channel at Mwita Junior.
Yes.
And also, guys, thank you so much all for paying a visit to our dreamland over here.
Yes.
I'm so much happy. Some days I used to feel like I'm so lonely, but today God told me like you're not lonely, my son.
Yes.
You can check how many people we are here.
Yes.
You're waiting for me to fall?
Hey,
you are
Never.
waiting for this one.
Never. You're waiting for me to fall with the bicycle?
Yes.
Never.
Never.
I'm an expert.
You can never be you.
You can never be me.
It can never be you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, but I love riding bicycles.
Yeah, you love.
You can ride me too.
You love riding.
You can ride me. I'm asking a question. Can you ride
What
me?
do you love?
Can you ride me?
Huh?
You love riding? You love? She said she loved riding. So hey! Hey!
I was riding a bicycle. Oh, so what do you love?
No, we say we are
Riding.
We are cycling.
Oh, cycling.
Do you want it rough? So guys, we're just kidding. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much and be blessed. And yeah, guys, so we are here. Let's see you. Yes, okay, guys. Also, he was our visitor over here in our dreamland right here. And yeah, introduce yourself, brother.
Hi guys, my name is Luca. Yes. Yeah, I'm from Rwanda. I do have a YouTube channel called The Lucas Family with my wife. Yo, I think this is my last day in Nyabohansi.
Hey!
I've been here for almost 3 months.
Hey!
Okay, you was my first landlord.
Yeah, I was the first landlord.
Even if you weren't around.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was the first landlord.
Yeah, he was my landlord.
But the landlady was taking part for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was far away.
Yeah.
And my business partner was taking.
You know, I came to your house to say goodbye, but
yes.
I found out you were here.
Oh, I'm not
That's
here.
why I came.
How was the staycation? For us being the first landlord for you, how was the staycation?
You know, always in village because everything is quite cheap.
Yes.
Yeah, because I was coming from the city, which everything is very expensive.
Yes.
Yeah, it was really wonderful, amazing. But after three weeks, we decided to own an empty house because our plan was to have to stay in Kenya for almost a year.
Yes.
So that's why. But
wow.
we still good neighbors.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. Do you recommend maybe people on paying a visit in Nyabohansi, can they stay with us?
Even if, you know, when we were coming, we call her through video call.
Yes.
She showed the house, everything.
Yes.
I wasn't expect to have the beautiful house in the village like that. So, yeah. Even people who coming abroad, they have no choice. The best house they can find is that house.
Wow, man. Out of 10?
It's 10. It's 10, man.
Oh yeah, guys, please. That is from him. He has stayed with us for more than 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3
weeks.
And
now he owned his own house.
Yeah.
And he has stayed here for more than 3 months.
Yeah, because
so,
I was coming with my sister and my wife.
Yeah, for sure.
For 3 people, it's not easy to afford
one house.
Airbnb for a long time.
Yeah,
if you don't have a big channel. Like that.
For sure.
Yeah.
Please guys, subscribe to his YouTube channel at
The Luca Family.
Yeah, guys. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you all the best to your journey and everything that.
Yeah, my plan is I'm starting to travel. My plan is to go to Nairobi to Mombasa. Even if I can go,
you really enjoy.
I can go back to Asia.
Oh,
this is my plan.
Wow, man, it should be really nice, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and be blessed. Wish you all the best.
Asante.
All right, man. Thank you. So I've been working here with Davy Senior, Your Majesty, and Pesa Man, and today they have told me they have a big surprise for me. So before I end this video,
wait for the surprise now.
before I end this video, let me check what Davy Senior has brought. They're with Pesa Man.
Yes. Not me.
Yeah, with Pesa Man, Pesa Man, Davy Senior, and Your Majesty. Let me wait and see. What they're surprising us.
Okay.
Pesa Man.
Hype man.
You know what? I think this thing should be prepared for supper purpose.
Supper purpose. Let me wait and see. You know, Mr. Susan Sue.
Yes.
Is it a piece of meat?
Yeah.
No.
They might be yams. They might be yams.
It's something coiling.
Snake.
But it's no.
Oh, maybe a mud fish.
For supper.
Maybe a mud.
Okay.
The surprise is coming like booming, guys.
Guys, let's wait to see.
Yes.
Hey, we am surprised.
My friend, we just had
Manager.
Manager.
You know, see,
Manager has some
big surprise.
some bit of restrictions,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
The surprise or
Yeah.
some
You have any
overview.
I think there will be no restriction.
Okay, can I see? Let's see. Let's see the surprise.
No, we want you to close your eyes.
Okay, me, I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing anyone.
Something like coming. Wow.
Okay.
You know.
Something like run away?
Not
Okay.
Oh, you can't
You
run
should
away.
not run away.
Let me see what is it.
Yeah.
Maisha usiende.
So, bro, we are here.
Come move. Yeah. Pesa man.
So
What is-
guys, there is a big surprise over here. Let's give them by
Guys.
two
Close your
hands.
eyes.
By two
Close your eyes. I said you close
Me,
your
me have closed my eyes.
Yeah, you close your eyes.
I've closed my eyes.
You've not yet closed your eyes.
Look how she's running. Come here.
Don't be scared.
Let's see what is
Big
it.
surprise,
Hey, guys.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Why you
Okay,
wondering?
touch all of you.
Hey!
Okay, great.
What is it?
Touch,
What is it?
Please, this is a meat. by the way.
meat.
It's a mud fish for some.
Hey!
Yeah, you can open
You can
now.
open.
Oh, guys, come see. A big surprise.
It's a snake.
For supper.
It's a snake.
Big surprise.
Hey!
Hey, guys.
Let me
It's
see.
not a snake, it's a mud fish.
Hey, let's see.
Just
Let's
see,
see.
it's a mud fish.
Let me see.
It's a mud fish.
Open.
Guys, wait for a surprise. You know, you've not seen the surprise.
Yeah.
It's a snake.
They are running away. Mud fish. Mud fish looks like a snake.
Why is the guy laughing? That's a snake.
Let me show you guys.
We never run, we not sleep.
Yeah.
Let's check.
So guys, these are for
You know,
supper.
we were coming at your site
that's
in
a
the
snake.
morning.
That's a snake.
Hey!
Wow,
That's a
wow, wow.
snake.
You can show them. You can show
It's a
them.
very big one.
Show
A
them.
big surprise.
Let me show
Put it
you.
down.
Hey! Big surprise. Big surprise. Big surprise by the
A
way.
very big one.
Surprise!
Come.
Mean how
Come
look,
for a surprise.
look where she is. Look. Where is?
They've run, yeah.
We're so happy.
They've run in
Where-
the garden by the way.
Oh, it was in our garden.
Yeah, this one was in our garden.
Yes.
At that big
Yes.
tree down there at the corner.
Down here at the corner.
Yeah, so
And
we
yesterday I told you there's a snake here.
yeah, so we just dug, then we found this snake.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
And so big.
we just said we must keep for you.
Yes.
Maybe we show you now.
Hey, this
Yeah,
thing it
so
could have
we
bite.
just made it to be like a surprise because you know
Yesterday it
we're
could have.
having a surprise. You know?
Oh my God. Oh
This
my.
is a surprise, you know.
It could have bitten me yesterday because I told this guy
So you can
I've seen
come,
something.
It's not live.
Wow.
It's dead. It's dead, please.
Oh my God! Yesterday it could have spiked me here.
Can we tell you something?
I told you, bro. There's something here. It's at the corner there.
Yeah.
I told you there's something here. Actually, look, guys. I bought land with all my snakes and frogs.
But you know, this thing is not that dangerous because I'm wondering why some people eat snakes. Why can't we go and prepare this thing?
Yeah. Touched.
Yeah, I'm very.
Be careful with your hands. Yeah. Don't eat from it, guys. This is a snake. It would have bitten me. But yeah. But it's okay.
Yeah,
So-
it was very big.
It
by
was
the way.
big. This one eats.
This one
people.
it's too dangerous.
Thank you so much, man, for this, and I'm so much happy you killed it, and it could have eaten me here while working. So be blessed always, and thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right.
we'll say-